Hi, Sunita and Darun. Welcome to the lesson. So, in these lessons, we learn about integers. I know you already learned integers in your class, but we'll adopt activity-based method, which will be very interesting for you. And based on this, we can go to the next topic. So, first, we live in the Gudlur town. Gudlur being a hill, it's on the top of a hill, and it is 1072 meter above the sea level. So the sea is at a level of 0 meter and we are above the sea level 1072 meter. Okay, but you might have also heard of a place called Kuttanad in Kerala, which is below the sea level, which is below the sea level by 3 meter. Okay, now we know the whole number set, which is represented by W, and it consists of the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Okay, now this 1072 is also somewhere here, and this 0 meter is also here. But the altitude of Kuttanad, which is below the sea level by 3, is not here. This 3 is a positive 3. This is to represent above the sea level but not below. So, how do we represent the altitude of Kuttanad here? For this, we need to invent a bigger set than the whole numbers, and that is the integer set, that is represented by Z. Z is Zahlen in German. So this has all these numbers in the whole numbers. Let's start with 0 here. Let me write from the middle 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Along with these whole numbers, it also has negative numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, and so on. It keeps on continuing like this. Now the altitude of Kuttanad is here, which is -3. Got it? Integers is a set which has all the positive numbers and 0 and has all the negative numbers. Now we'll do an activity to find predecessor and successor. Predecessor is nothing but a number which comes before and successor is comes after. Okay, now let's do one activity here. Now we can have a number line like this. So as you go to the right, the value increases. The value increases. As you come to the left, the value decreases. Okay. Now what is the predecessor and successor of +4? Predecessor is the number which comes before. So what comes before 4? It has to be 1, 2, 3, 3, 3. So it is +3. Now what comes after 4? Plus +3, +4, and +5. Okay, so here 3 is the predecessor and +5 is the successor. Okay, now let's take another problem. Here let's take -3. Now what is the predecessor for this and successor for this? Well, let's do a successor. My 3, can we take -4? Wait a minute. Now we'll start from the 0. Let's take 0. Then what comes before 0? It is -1. What comes before that? -2. And then comes -3. And then comes -4. So the predecessor of -3 is -4 and successor is -2. Now to recap, integer is nothing but it has positive numbers negative numbers and 0, and predecessor is the number which comes before and successor which comes after. Okay. Now all the best with your worksheet. Thank you.